You don't need to code. You just need to think clearly about what good output looks like and then engineer a skill around it. So what actually is a skill though? Because it's not a prompt, it's not a template, and it's not a custom GPT. A skill is three things. First, a constitution. These are evergreen rules, the stuff that's always true about how this agent should do its job. Think of it like the employee handbook that never changes. Second, a scorecard. This is the current performance data, what's working, what's not, and the key is that it automatically updates. So my analytics employee, Aria, writes performance data that every other employee reads before they start work. And third, a self-improving loop. The skill gets better over time without me manually rewriting it. How do you actually create a skill? Firstly, download Claude Desktop on Mac or Windows. Once it's downloaded, go to the Customize tab in the sidebar. And this is where you've got skills and connectors. Skills are like standalone instruction manuals, and connectors are like puzzle pieces that fit together. For example, like Notion can connect to Claude Desktop. Click on the Skills tab, and then in the Examples dropdown, if you can't see it, just make sure you click the arrow here, then go to Skill Creator, and Claude have their own Skill Creator skill. Make sure this is toggled on, and then you can go to the next step and actually start creating your own skill. Once it's toggled on, go back, go to Code or Co-work. Don't be scared by the word code. Trust me, it's very easy. If you can ask a question, you can use the code tab. And then just think about a process that you do every single week on repeat. Something that's repetitive, manual, you hate doing it. Something like admin, checking emails, triaging them, whatever. Think about what that is and then give it a prompt, something along the lines of, help me create a skill. I have no idea what I'm doing. I've never done this before. Ask me as many questions as you need so we can get this right. I want this to be perfect and be fully functional once we finish the interview process and once you finish creating the skill. Hit enter. If you're on the $20 per month plan, make sure you select Sonnet because it will use less tokens and you won't eat up as much of your plan. If you're on the $100 or $200 per month, click Opus because it is better and you will eat up more tokens, but you should be okay. Case in point, I am out of all of my usage for the week and I have to wait another 24 hours, but provided that you are not out of your own usage, use this prompt. And then instead of getting you're out of extra usage notification, there'll be a little pop-up notification box with multiple choice questions that you can answer and just go through that process. It's pretty fun going back and forth. And after 5 minutes, you've created your first skill. If you want to see what skill engineering looks like applied to content creation, every Threadify user gets AI that uses your personal context, your voice to create better content in the brain. We literally just shipped this. That is skill engineering in action. And we're about to be shipping skill features directly within Threadify, which will take this to the next level. I can't wait for you to see it. Try it free. Link is in the description below. And if this video made you think a little bit differently about AI, subscribe. I put out 3 to 4 videos a week. Real numbers, real building, zero bullshit. Don't be a dropkick. Subscribe.